KTN News.
Preparations for the Bungoma senatorial mini poll are on course as candidates appear before the electoral body IEBC. The race has attracted 11 contestants from UDA, Fort Kenya and Dap K each, all parties fronting candidates. Bungoma returning officer Grace Rono says they are ready for the exercise slated for 8th of December.
Last 2 weeks ago, we were cleared by our respective parties and those ones who are independent. I'm reliably informed ya kwamba I'm the first candidate to be cleared. Na sasa tumemalizana na IEBC. Tunaanza safari yetu.
I would like to congratulate IEBC for the good work. Because the time I've come in, I've actually spent less than 30 minutes. I've completed my process. And I believe that everything will be going on well, smoothly during our election time. However, what I would like to ask people of Bungoma, we are not electing leader, a leader who is a person who wants to have a benefit, a leader that who's supposed to take care of people of Bungoma.
We are ready for the election. We'll be beginning our trainings next week until we do the election. So we are ready.
Nominees for this year's Kalash International Film and TV Awards have been unveiled. With 217 films having been submitted, most of the movie themes centered on mental health awareness, domestic violence, elections, substance and drug abuse, as well as violence. Among the popular films nominated in various categories includes Singles Kiasi, Pete, Sanura, Kina, Crime and Justice, and the recently released politically inspired County 49. Speaking during the launch, Kenya Film Commission CEO Timothy Owase noted that the awards this year have 39 categories with an addition of 9 new ones that include Best Regional Film, Best Documentary